How do you make a whole forest?
How does a bird choose its home?
Planting trees makes me feel part of the world. In 60 years' time I'll have grandchildren and I'll show them the woods that I helped plant. Our countryside needs millions more trees for wildlife. And cities need more trees too.
Children can do their bit, but they need your help.
We're losing touch with nature. If our children feel close to nature, they'll want to protect it. The Woodland Trust wants every child to have a chance to plant trees.